The first edition of India-Saudi Arabia joint military exercise SADA TANSEEQ has started in Rajasthan. Indian Navy's INS Sumitru has foiled a plot by Somali pirates to steal an Iranian-flagged fishing vessel and successfully rescued 19 Pakistani nationals. The main opposition party of the Maldives, Maldivian Democratic Party, which holds a majority in parliament, has gathered enough signatures to submit a motion to impeach the Maldivian president. Indian Defence Secretary will be on a two-day visit to Oman for the 12th Joint Military Cooperation Committee, under which both sides will explore new initiatives in defence industry collaboration. After T-90 main battle tanks, Indian Army has started equipping its T-72 tanks with a sophisticated cope cage armor for protection against modern ATGMs and loitering munitions. DRDO is developing a cutting-edge new-age smoke protection system for tanks that will shield vehicles from loitering munitions, laser-guided weapons and low-cost drones designed for top attack maneuvers. India and France have decided to take their defense and security ties to the next level by manufacturing and exporting defense items to friendly countries. Just days after the French president's high-profile visit to India, the Chinese president has offered to break new ground for giving the fillip to the China-France ties. After a prolonged 15-month absence, China is preparing to appoint its next ambassador to India. British firm Rolls-Royce has announced a 7-year deal with Hyderabad-based Azad Engineering to manufacture and supply critical components for military aircraft engines. The agreement focuses on the production of highly intricate rotating components, tailored for various platforms within Rolls-Royce's defense and military engines. This agreement comes at a time when DRDO and Rolls-Royce are in discussions to jointly develop a high-thrust engine for AMCA program, with full transfer of technology and intellectual property rights to India. Indian Air Force is planning acquisition of additional ASRAAM Block 6 missiles that will be manufactured locally at Bharat Dynamics Limited. Interestingly, with the removal of American ITAR restrictions, the locally manufactured ASRAAM Block 6 will now become the standard weapon system for short-range air combat for the Indian Air Force, and also presents a lucrative export opportunity for India, as several nations are seeking a potent yet independent short-range air-to-air missile system free from ITAR regulations. India and France have agreed to expedite price negotiations for the purchase of 26 Rafale marine fighter jets, and both nations have opted to prioritize it after the upcoming general elections in India. France has also committed to increase the sourcing of Rafale components from India, and even the semi-structural airframe of the Rafale will soon be manufactured and shipped from Dassault Alliance Aerospace Limited to France. France has also agreed to establish an maintenance repair and overhaul facility in India for Rafale's M-88 engines that will cater to Indian needs and act as a regional hub to service engines of other Asian Rafale operators. The DRDO has announced that its Samho 120mm cannon-launched missile has successfully completed all trials, and it is fully ready for production. It has a range of 5 km in top attack lifted trajectory and 2 km range in direct or flat trajectory. It is designed for deployment on the Arjun main battle tank and features semi-active laser homing guidance system that allows for precise targeting of modern main battle tanks, hardened point targets, and even low-flying helicopters. Today's top 3 comments.